Hello, I am Sairam. Together with my team, Phoenix Mars, we are so excited to present our solution for the NASA International Space Apps Challenge. We chose the challenge from the Space Technology Mission Directorate on managing inorganic waste in Mars because we were inspired by the reality that astronauts on a 3 year mission would generate nearly 12,600 kilograms of trash. Our project is called MWRS Mars Waste to Resource System. And here is my circuit diagram. Here are some components like ESP32, DHT11, MQ135, IR1, IR2. Now, but we are here incomplete. We will complete it soon. And here is my app, and this is called Mars Trash Cycle. And for here is add waste control monitor prototype recycling states help slash NASA data. Here is first option add waste slash control, and here is start shredder, start extruder, stop process, and here is a back option. If we will click back, we'll come to the main menu. And we created this app on MIT App Inventor, but this app is also incomplete. We will complete it soon. Thank you.